Professional Thunder and Blizzard Wheel Cleaning Brushes. They are characterized by increased gentleness and flexibility, allowing them to reach and clean hard-to-reach areas that other brushes cannot. We offer two versions of brushes in our assortment. The larger Thunder is 45 centimeters long, has better splash protection, and is perfect for wheels with a wider arm span. On the other hand, the smaller Blizzard is 36 centimeters long and can easily fit into any smaller wheel crevice. Both of these brushes have dense and gentle bristles, chemical resistance, and rubber protection that won't scratch your wheels. Additionally, there is a water splash guard near the handle to protect against splashing. Expand your detailing assortment with professional accessories from the Work Stuff brand.